Today we will be reviewing HP Ink 63. It is a cartridge for HP inkjet printers. I ordered the cartridge from Amazon and I received a package which we are unboxing right now. I ordered two cartridges and both of them are of black color and in a plastic packaging. I have opened one of the cartridge to install in my printer. As you can see, the cartridge is protected by a small cardboard. The cartridge design is itself is like a shoe. You can see a transparent tape on the head of the cartridge. These cartridges have a built-in head, so you don't have to worry about print head damage. But one thing that you have to take care is to print at least one page every day, because the ink can go dry on the print head, and in that way, even if you don't use the cartridge, it will be useless. So in order to maintain the life of the cartridge, and if you are not using the printer that often, it's better to print one page every day. Now let's install the cartridge in the printer. We will follow the instructions which was provided with my printer. First, I open the panel, and then I remove the sticker from the head of the cartridge. I place the cartridge with the head towards the printer and try to pull it inside, and then push it a little bit up. Once you push up, you will hear a clicking sound. That means now the cartridge is secured in its place. Then just close the latch or the door of the printer, and then the printer will print a small alignment page. So you place an empty page in the page loader, and the printer will print out a page. And if you have like a 3-in-1 printer, then you have to place this page on the scanner so the printer can align the cartridges. This is for today, and please don't forget to share and comment on this video.